Hi, and welcome to my course jQuery for Beginner to Advanced. My name is Sandip and I will show you how to create awesome jQuery effects and animations practically. This course is for almost everyone, and I say almost because you need to know at least a little bit of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we will start from scratch from where to get jQuery and finishing the course building 12 amazing jQuery effects which you can use in your web projects. Let's check out what we are gonna be building in this series. So the main point of this course is to teach you what jQuery is and how to start using it to create animations and advanced features for your own projects. Alright, let's get started.